What?
Oh my gosh, this is my voice. I'm already messing up. That's my first voiceover. I have to be a little quiet, so yeah. Anyways, today we're gonna be reinstalling a lace front wig. It's a bob, as you can see by the thumbnail. This is actually my first time putting on this wig. This wig was my sister's, who you seen in the first clip with my niece. Anywho, we're starting off braiding our starter locks. Yep, I should have recorded that process, but I didn't. Do people use like actual microphones for this part, like voiceovers? Let me know, cause I don't know. So I've had my starter locks for a month now. Pat on the back to me for being actually committed. I should have did these braids a little bit smaller because I could like literally feel them and you could see them. There's gonna be a part where I feel it and you can, girl, oh my god, it makes the wig lumpy. And I'm finished. I'm just showing y'all the braids. Don't talk about me, period. We gotta oil that scalp. We don't want no dry, flaky, itchy scalps around here. And this is not a tutorial. I'm just, voicing over, telling y'all what I'm doing. Right here I use some jam to try to slick back my edges. I think I'm completely done with jam. Like, it's not giving jam, it's giving water, boo. Yeah, no, it didn't work out so well. Still brushing that in. This is where I went in with some gossipy because, as you can see, nothing happened. Nothing really happened with that either because I didn't put a dryer to it, but it was fine. Now I'm wiping my forehead with some alcohol, putting some makeup on the wig, and that's the glue that I used. Girl, it was coming out clumpy. I don't know what my sister did to that glue, but that's why you don't let people touch your stuff. You feel me? So I'm putting that in. I really want to try Bold Hold or like some other type of actual glue because that's the first glue I've ever tried. Before that, I was just using spray. But I feel like, should I really get that? I don't even do wigs like that often. But I feel like as I'm going into my lock journey with these little starter locks that's uneven and all this and that, maybe I should start doing wigs a little bit more. So this is a scary sight. It's looking a little bit scary. One thing that I do like about that glue is it dries mighty fast. This is me pulling the wig forward and putting it on. I'm guessing when she first wore this, whoever did her hair did not pluck it like pretty much at all. But yeah. Pressing it in with your comb, hands, fingers, whatever you want to use. Now I'm coming it back to tie it down. I believe I had it on for 10 minutes. It was probably a little bit over 10 minutes though. I was coming at the little edge. Now I'm showing y'all what it looks like. Scalp. I'm going in and cutting those little extra pieces off. Now I'm going in to separate a little demarcation line to go ahead and start plucking. While I'm doing this plucking, I really am trying to get in the mindset of like everything is not going to be quick, fast, and in a hurry. Like if you want a good product, it takes time. So if you want a good natural looking hairline, whatever, good pluck, you need to take time in plucking. The same thing with like makeup and stuff. If you want a good beat, it's going to take time, period. Your nails, it's going to take time. Like that's what I'm trying to get in the mindset of. Like everything is not going to be fast, fast, fast because you want it fast. Here I am parting out my part. I just really want to know, like, how do the girlies get that deep side part with the banging swoop? Like, I've watched so many videos and I still don't know if I'm getting it right. Like, I still don't know if I'm catching it. I feel like for what I did a pretty good job. And I don't think these knots were bleached either because they was looking a little dark. But yeah, I'm trying to study that and get that right. What's your name? B.O.B. So they calling you Ba. Now here I am going ahead and spraying the edges with this Got2b. I would much rather use the even spray for this, but this is all I had, so yeah. And when spraying to melt your lace, this is also what I've learned, to go ahead and blow dry before you tie it up, put a band on, anything. Because if you put that band on while it's wet, baby, it's coming up and it's looking gray. Don't do that. Now. Don't even get me started on this part. I wanted a little curly bob moment. The bob was not bobbing, curling, whatever. I went over this hair so many times, and I'm guessing it's the hair. Maybe it's the length, but I don't think it's the length. I think it's this hair, wherever she got this hair from. It was bad, baby. It was real bad. I had to just revert back to the straight. The only thing that was curling was this bang, and it was barely doing that. Here is where the bang wasn't curling anymore, and I was just coming it back straight, and now I'm going to try to put it in a little swoop. I didn't want a hard swoop, so I settled for, the soft swoop. Now we're getting into the edges. Go ahead and curl them up, curl them up, curl them up. I knew. Opt up. Don't burn yourself like me. And I know y'all seen me burn myself in that other hair video. It wasn't funny. All my blind people stand up. Now, you know I had to put them glasses back on because I could not see for real. You could tell by my face I was becoming over it. And that little old comb brush was not gonna help me. I needed to bring out the big comb. I already told y'all the look I was going for, and for it being my first time, kinda, I feel like it was good. The edges and the deep shot part is what I'm talking about. And it's giving body yaddy, purr. Now, y'all tell me how I did. If you have some tips, leave them down below. And look at this picture of me. I look so cute, purr. Yeah. Look at my niece.